Hello, my name is Dini and I'm going to teach you how to ride a bike today. First thing is to put on your helmet. And then you flick it in, but don't pinch your neck or your chin. You bring your bike out onto the road, then check where if the car is coming. The pedal is higher than the other one. Then you have to push off. Then you have to go super fast.